Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious banana oatmeal, perfect for your breakfast of the weekends. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. First things first, getting ready the water and the cinnamon stick. 1 cup of water, 1 stick of cinnamon stick, and 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar. We're going to take it to the stove, cook it in medium-low heat until the cinnamon has released all that amazing flavor and aroma. So here I'm going to cover it, let it simmer in medium-low heat. And when the water has changed color, you know that the cinnamon is releasing all the amazing flavor. And that's when you're going to add your oatmeal. I am adding 1 cup of oatmeal. Once you add it, mix it very well, incorporate it very good. Continue cooking in medium-low heat for about 5 to 10 minutes until the oatmeal is fluffy and soft. While that's cooking, I'm getting ready my banana. This is a very ripe banana. I really want the banana to infuse the oatmeal. So here I'm just going to slice away just like this, and I am going to add it into the mixture when it is time. Right now, I'm just letting the cinnamon and the oatmeal to really infuse in medium-low heat. So this is going to go in there when it is time. So here, let me show you. 1 or 2 bananas is perfect. And here, I am going to remove the cinnamon stick. And now I'm ready to add 2 cups of regular milk. I'm going to cook it until it's simmering. Once it starts simmering, I am going to add the banana. You really don't step away because it could start burning on the bottom, and that's exactly what you don't want. So you want to add your banana and continue mixing until it starts bubbling and boiling, and you could even smell the aroma of the banana. Once it's bubbling, you're going to reduce the heat and you're going to add 1 tablespoon or 1 splash of vanilla extract or vanilla paste. And this is really going to give it such an amazing flavor. Once you add it, let it come to boiling point and then turn it off and you're ready to enjoy. Let me tell you, this banana oatmeal is perfect for the weekends when you get up in the morning and it's really cold and you want to enjoy something delicious, nice and hot. Well, this banana oatmeal is perfect. And let me show you. I am ready to just let it simmer until it starts boiling all the way to the top, and then I'm going to turn it off. Once you make this banana oatmeal, you're going to love it. It's really so infused with the vanilla paste and the banana flavor. Amazing. Look at this. This is done and I am ready to prepare my plate. How am I going to prepare it? I'm going to add all this delicious banana oatmeal. I'm going to drizzle right on the top some cinnamon powder because I love cinnamon. And I am ready to enjoy it nice and hot. And on this weekend, I'm really going to enjoy this cold weather. Really makes this even much more flavorful. So here I'm just going to add in. I'm going to drizzle a little bit of the cinnamon powder right on the top. You could add more banana if you would like. I'm going to add some cinnamon on the top. I'm going to add a little bit more of banana right on the top. And of course, I am going to drizzle some condensed milk. I am going to drizzle right on the top some condensed milk, and I am going to enjoy this amazing banana oatmeal. Look at this. How amazing this looks. Like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you in a bit. I am completely done with this banana oatmeal. Of course, I drizzled a little bit of the condensed milk right on the top, and this is a perfect breakfast. Let's see how this came out. I love adding the condensed milk right on the top and adding a little bit of the cinnamon powder. Excuse me. Mmm. Mmm. So delicious. Delicious and very healthy. Mmm. If you love oatmeal like I love oatmeal, you're going to love this banana oatmeal. Mmm. Amazing. If you like and loved this banana oatmeal, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing and delicious breakfast. Banana oatmeal made at home with lots of love. See you soon. Bye-bye.